Hello everyone, I'm Tom Barron from Proximity Learning and this is Canvas in a Minute. Today I'm going to show you how to exclude an assignment for a student. So you're in your grade book of whatever course you're working on right now, and your student name is to the left. So for excluding an assignment, you're going to look for a particular student name. Of course, mine are blocked out. But you already see one here who's excused because this student joined class later in the school year, so I'm not going to make him do any of those assignments before he joined the class date. So here's a participation one he wasn't here for because he's not in the class roster yet. I'm going to click on this. All I need to do is type in EX, capital EX, boom, that assignment is excused. It's not a 0. It's not a full percentage. It won't count towards the final grade. It's just an excused assignment. So that's it. You just need to click the box, type in EX, hit enter. That's simple. All right, so it's a quick one today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.